In the Indus Valley, archaeologists uncovered a city frozen in panic, Mohenjo Daro. Streets littered with skeletons, bodies fused to the ground, their bones still carrying abnormal radiation. Surrounding walls and pottery show signs of vitrification. Stone melted as if by a flash, hotter than any natural fire. Half a world away, in the Jordan Valley, another city met the same fate. Excavations at Tol el Hammam, often identified with the biblical Sodom, revealed shocked quartz, trinitite-like glass, and a destruction layer 5 feet thick. The soil was cooked to over 2,000 degrees Celsius. The pattern matches neither volcanic activity nor conventional warfare. In northern Scotland, ancient hill forts stand as blackened husks, granite fused into liquid glass. Local lore calls them the forts the gods set aflame. The oldest stories of divine conflict survive only because a few scribes dared to copy them, usually at the edge of collapse. And in Death Valley, Nevada, desert glass stretches for miles, chemically identical to post-nuclear melt. The Enuma Elish, describing Marduk's battle with Tiamat, is itself a copy. The originals, older, written in Sumerian, were already gone. When the library of Ashurbanipal burned in 612 BCE, 30,000 tablets turned to ash. Among them, texts said to detail the wars of heaven. Greek historians wrote that beneath the library of Alexandria stood a second vault, the Serapeum, built of fireproof stone. Inside, they said, were scrolls of the elder gods, sealed away after the flood. The vault exists. The scrolls do not. What survives are fragments, enough to hint at a truth, never enough to prove it. As if someone, or something, wanted the memory of that war erased. Every war leaves behind its weapons. The question is whether we still possess one. In Heliopolis, Egypt, priests guarded the Benben stone, a conical object said to have fallen from heaven, glowing with light. It sat atop the first pyramid, source of the pharaoh's authority. In Arabia, pilgrims circle a relic called Al-Hajar al-Aswad, the black stone of Mecca. Islamic tradition calls it meteoric, but its exact composition remains unknown. Samples are forbidden. In India, the Syamantaka gem of Krishna, in Tibet, the Chintamani stone, in Mesoamerica, the heart of the sun, all describe a luminous fragment that grants divine power, fallen from the sky during the wars of the gods. Could these be scattered pieces of the same artifact, the energy core, command node, or weapon that ended the last age? If so, it explains why each culture treats its fragment as sacred, untouchable, and sealed from public study. The gods may have vanished, but their arsenal didn't. It was buried, enshrined, and mythologized, until only pilgrims and priests were allowed to see it.